Roman-style meatballs are a classic of Lazio cuisine, a dish that brings to the table the authentic flavors of the Roman tradition. Preparing these meatballs means immersing oneself in the gastronomic culture of the Italian capital, where simple and genuine ingredients combine to create unforgettable flavors. The meatballs are enriched with Pecorino Romano cheese and parsley and slowly cooked in a fragrant tomato sauce, becoming tender and succulent. Ingredients: 500 grams of mixed ground meat, beef and pork, 100 grams of stale bread, 100 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of grated pecorino Romano cheese, 1 whole egg, 1 clove of garlic, a bunch of fresh parsley, 500 milliliters of tomato puree, half an onion, 50 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, 5 grams of salt, ground black pepper. Preparation: start by soaking the stale bread in the milk. Cut the bread into small pieces and soak it in the milk for about 10 minutes until it is well softened. In a large bowl, combine the mixed ground meat, the bread squeezed of excess milk, the grated Pecorino Romano cheese, the whole egg, the finely chopped garlic clove, the chopped fresh parsley, the salt, and the ground black pepper. Mix all the ingredients well with your hands until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Form the meatballs by taking small portions of the mixture and shaping them with your hands into walnut-sized balls. In a large pan, heat the extra virgin olive oil and add the finely chopped half onion. Let the onion sauté over medium heat for about 5 minutes until it becomes translucent and soft. Add the meatballs to the pan with the onion, browning them evenly on all sides for about 10 minutes until they are well browned. Pour the tomato puree over the meatballs, stir gently to distribute the sauce, and adjust salt and pepper to taste. Cover the pan with a lid and let the meatballs cook over low heat for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once cooked, the meatballs should be tender and the sauce well reduced. Turn off the heat and let rest for a few minutes before serving. Serve the meatballs hot, accompanied by their cooking sauce, perhaps with a side of vegetables or some fresh bread to fully enjoy the flavorful sauce. Curiosities: Roman-style meatballs can be customized by adding chopped black olives or toasted pine nuts to the meat mixture to enhance the flavor and texture. Additionally, in some areas of Lazio, it is customary to add a chopped anchovy fillet to the mixture to impart a more pronounced and characteristic flavor. This traditional dish was often prepared in peasant families using leftover bread and meat, representing an example of simple yet tasty cooking.